What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled, and today I have the new EarFun Free Pros 2. So you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna get this box popped, we're gonna explore all of its contents, we're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation, and of course a latency test. Sit back, relax, grab that popcorn, let's do this, let's go, right meow. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit there. So on the box, you can see what is included is you get obviously the headphones, the charging case, 4 different size ear tips, 3 different ear hooks, USB-C to USB-C cable, and the user manual, which we'll see all of that inside the box. But more importantly, you're gonna get hybrid active noise cancellation up to 40 decibels. You got 6mm composite drivers for superior sound. It also comes with a microphone noise cancellation technology for call clarity, which we will test. Transparency mode to allow ambient sounds, and you're gonna get a total of 30 hours of playback time. Now this includes 6 hours that come charged on the earbuds, and then an additional 24 hours from the case itself. They are IPX5 waterproof with sweat shield technology. They come with wireless charging capabilities, which is super awesome. All earbuds from this point forward should have that. And then you have single earbud mode, so you can use either one with the other in the case, whether it's the right or the left. And there are a ton of touch controls with volume controls, so you'll be able to adjust your volume on the fly without having to worry about taking out your phone, which also should be a standard feature. All right, let's pop this box open here. Boom, let's back up a little bit. So these are the case. Right off the bat, the size is the first thing I noticed. These are extremely compact, which, as you know, if you've watched my previous videos, it's something that I really look for. It is extremely important to be able to have something that just fits in my pocket, because I keep my wallet, my keys, everything in my pocket. So I want to be able to have everything as small as possible. So these fit the bill there. Check out these guys. They are very nicely weighted. And I like the overall size, honestly. They feel really nice in the hand. They don't feel too heavy. Let's go ahead and pop them back in here. Put these to the side and go a little bit deeper into the box here. All right, so let's see what we get. So first thing is, guys, tell me what this is for. Maybe it's for cleaning out the earbud. I'm not sure, getting the wax out after a while, you know, that builds up in your earbuds. Let me know in the comments what this tool is for, if I'm wrong with that. And it's not USB-C to USB-C, I stand corrected, it is USB-C to A, so let's make that a note. And these should be the wing tips, yep. So those are the extra tips to make sure that everything stays in your ears. And then here we have the actual different tips. I'll go ahead and figure out what is going to fit me best here in a little bit. Let's see, I can't read it. It is a cleaning stick, so I was right, there we go. Clean your contacts, make sure everything is right so that it can charge and you don't have any worries there. Then you have your manual, and this is gonna go over all the different touch controls and whatnots, and there's probably a million different type functions, which is something that's really great. It's just having to memorize all of them. Really what you wanna do is just go through and figure out what's most important to you, and then over time you'll learn the rest. That's it, that's what's in the box, guys. So let's go ahead and start the audio test. I'm gonna go ahead and get these paired up to my phone and figure out which ear tip will work best with me, and we'll get started. I'll see you in a sec. All right, guys, it is audio test time. I have the earbuds paired to my iPhone. I have the right ear tips in, and it is time to start listening. This is going to be my first impressions of how they sound. Now, keep in mind, I love heavy bass, and that's what I look for when I'm grading how they sound, is how punchy the bass is. Obviously, the highs and the mids are all very important. Clarity is important, but I like to feel it. I like to hear it. Let's go. Let's see if these do it. Right meow. First listen. Let's make sure we're cranked all the way up to 11. Here we go. Highs are good. Ooh, yeah. Bass is vibrating. super punchy. I'm enjoying these. All right, all right. Let me take these out of my ears so I can hear myself. I thoroughly enjoyed the sound signature that they were producing. The highs are very crisp, very clear. The mids are smooth. They sound really great, but most importantly, to me, is the bass is punchy. It hits hard. I can feel it. I feel the vibrations. 10 out of 10. I definitely loved the way the EarFun Free Pro 2s sound. Very, very impressed. Up next, it is mic test. And as always, guys, we're gonna test in two forms. I'm gonna do an in-studio test with ambient sounds playing in the background, and then we're gonna take a quick ride around the block in my car for sort of a wind noise test with the windows partially down and then fully down. That way you can kind of see how they're going to react there. So it is mic test time. Let's do that. Right, meow. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the EarFun Free Pro 2s. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the EarFun Free Pro 2s with ambient noise running in the background. All right, guys, so we are currently now in my car, and we're just taking a little bit of a drive. Right now, my windows are up, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and lower the windows about 4 to 6 inches so you can see what the difference sounds like. So again, this is the sound of my voice with the EarFun Free Pro 2s with the windows partially cracked. Now let's go ahead and drop them all the way down. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the EarFun Free Pro 2s in my ears. What do you guys think? How do they sound? Are they holding up to the wind noise? Are you able to hear everything that's going on around me? Or is it just my voice that you're hearing clearly? Let me know down in the comments below. And I'll see you back in the studio. All right, guys, it is noise cancellation time, and I have Tim here. If you don't know who or what Tim is a binaural microphone, and basically he allows you to hear what I could hear, what he hears, as if they're in your ears. So without further ado, I have these headphones on, which are all hooked up so I can hear what is going on. There's no dedicated app, so I have to have headphones on so I can tell which mode the earbuds are in. So currently they're in normal mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap and hold for 2 seconds. Now this should cycle
noise canceling.
Noise cancellation mode, which you probably heard. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cycle one more time, and this is gonna be the ambient mode.
Ambient sound.
So this is now ambient sounds, which you should really be able to hear all the noises around me. I'm hearing my voice really loudly, really clearly. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back into normal mode, and then I'll start playing some ambient sounds in the background. And when I cycle through this time, I am not gonna talk or say anything. I'm just gonna let the sounds play. That way you can kind of hear the difference, and I'm gonna cycle through it a few times. Here we go. Again, starting in normal mode, going to noise cancellation mode, and then ambient sound mode.
Noise cancelling. Ambient sound. Normal. Noise cancelling.
All right, guys, so it is now latency test time. I need to make sure first that these are in gaming mode. Let's see how we do that. Triple tap on left.
Game mode.
As always, we are going to test on an iPhone and an Android device. The iOS device is an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and the Android device is a Google Pixel 6 Pro. Up first is going to be the iPhone. Now, I do have these set already in gaming mode. So here we go, iPhone up first in gaming mode. All right, and now I'm gonna switch it over to the Android device, guys. All right, guys, so there you have it. We did an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation, and latency test. What'd you think? Let me know all your thoughts down in the comments. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.